Hey plumbers, if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today we're going to talk about broken sewers, sewer repairs, and while the trench is open, let's change out your original water service while we're in the trench. We come across it all the time as plumbers over here in South Jersey. Call us up for a drain cleaning. We bring out the beast, the hydro jetter, cable it, jet, or the scale, right? Well, ma'am, you have a broken sewer. It's unrepairable. We can either pipeline it, pipe in a pipe, trenchless repair, and or let's dig it up the old-fashioned way, very professionally, of course. And while we got the trench open, hey, listen, your water service is original also. Would you like to change that? We always give an option for taking care of the water service. Now, on top of that whole little situation of the water services, you know, in our local area, that New Jersey, that at some point in time, they want all New Jersey to have their new water services in place, which is a big task. But what we're telling some of the customers, or all the customers actually, is that if you have it done now, they'll just connect to your new water service and you'll be done from the street through into your home. So that's what we've been doing. Like in this video, and in this customer's case, bad drain lines inside, a broken line outside. So we're going to repipe the sewer line. Also repipe all his cast under his house. That's all back pitched and original. While we're in there, we're going to change his water service to new. This way he'll have a new water service and a new sewer service from the street into his home. We're going to repipe all his drains with PVC. Now, he's staying ahead of the game. Did the water service while we're in there, and it's a great decision to make. Who wants to dig up their sewer and then in a year or two have to redig it to put a new water service in? But a lot of people, times are tight, and a lot of times people would say, hey, can you just put the pipe in there? And of course we do that for them also. All kinds of options you can do when the time comes for you to get your drain line fixed, sewer line repaired, replaced, or even lined. We do it all, and this is just another example. And we use the most professional concrete company, Mr. Wally, with his equipment, dust-free saw cuts when needed, remove concrete, replace concrete, all within the same day or two. It's a lot of people, but it's a smooth operation. We do all our jobs together and with the utmost professionalism. This is just another example of what we do. We come in, and Mr. Wally, he is actually on top of the groundwater situation. The groundwater here on Island Working, when you start doing water and sewer, is a task. It can make or break your day, for sure. And we come in with the well points, the pumps, and it takes care of that portion of the job. On another aspect of it, he'll saw cut the side. Saw cut the trench with the chalk lines, put the side aside on plywood. This way, when we're done trenching, if we did your lawn, we're also going to put back your sod. So all my jobs, you'll see it in my videos here and there, that super professional, clean, neat, and it's an honor to work with this guy, and he does great work. Let's check it out. We'll see you there.
Pulling up on the job here, I see a mini excavator, which is this is pretty cool. No school?
No.
You're here to play plumber?
I'm here to teach.
Someone told me it's time to eat donuts.
Yeah,
I think it was Tom Dale.
they're jealous.
He said,
Go get a 12-pack. We'll show them how to eat them.
get 2 dozen. I'm getting 2 dozen.
Yeah.
All the big dogs are here, dudes.
Two across the board here. 2, 4, 6 on the right hand side. Thank you. Then we're going to go 2 vanilla crosses right there in the middle next to that double chocolate. This one's for Angelo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on.
Paul says he.
Oh, hold on. You crazy?
Double cream?
Look at this. Now, this is my last donut today. Did you find the water yet?
You want me to continue or?
The double cream's popular, huh?
You got me again. He's got the bean.
That looks big.
Swallow you up whole, boys.
You got a sewer pipe right in front of you.
Young bucks, though. You guys aren't scared. Your backs feel like good.
For now,
Yeah, for now. I'll give it 10 years.
couple years.
Oh, dude, that's gnarly in there.
Cute little 3-inch main over here.
Yeah. Anton's just out there.
Yeah.
All right, so
Let's do it, boys. Oh, we got spray foam insulation though, so that's nice. You ain't eating it all day.
Oh, you just called a classic roll by me. I'm here with it.
I want to fix your hair.
Here.
I used to have hair like that.
What happened?
Stress.
Ended up touching the backboard because you can't get above rim. Boy got scoop. There we go.
Yeah, end of September, we still need our grease. Gotta stay healthy, boys.
Yeah.
Don't forget, we gotta go back to our grabber.
That one is dead.
Watch out, we're going jet.
I need a Red Bull vodka.
Couple grandma specials
Love them.
for the boys.
Zorro's.
You love Zorro's?
Zorro!
Good.
He's good.
Yeah, you're talking about it. Yeah, he got it. Extra four.
Here. Tap.
I think he's in there. Oh yeah.
Watch out, almost dead. You like to touch it too, huh?
You know, I feel like my field's on.
Holy shit, go find your head. You got pro pressure.
Yeah, smiling.
You're gonna club them when you're done now. Put that right up in there. We don't have to put it in.
Just want to show the fans here what I'm driving around with in my van. I got stuck with the trash, dude, and it smells weird. Heavy day. We're going back tomorrow for round 2. Legendary.